Here at Park-A-Bike, there are two main types of mounts. We use a surface mount and a below ground mount. We also have a freestanding mount as an option that can be used in certain situations. A surface mount bike rack is used for mounting in concrete only. There are many different types of concrete anchors to choose from. We recommend and prefer to use the wedge lock anchors only. Before we get started, make sure you have on gloves and safety glasses. The first step in mounting any bike parking system is to place the rack in a position that bikes will be free from obstructing buildings, walls, poles, and curbs. And the most important, walkways. The second step to installing a surface-mounted bike rack is to drill the holes where you want the rack to be positioned. I like to use my mounting flange as a template to start my holes. Once the hole is drilled to the length of the preferred anchor, clean out the hole with a vacuum or compressed air and then clear away any debris with a small brush. Drive the anchor 1 inch into the concrete. Remove the nuts from the anchors. Slide the mounting flange with the holes aligned over the anchors and reattach the washer and nut to the top of the anchors. Drive the stud the remaining distance of the hole depth and tighten the nuts. A below-ground installation is recommended when installing bike racks in asphalt, sand, decomposed granite, or other grassy surfaces, if you will. We suggest a 4 to 8 inch auger depending upon the soil and sand content. For soils with more sand, the wider the hole should be. A 12-inch depth hole is recommended for a below-ground install. For a rack like a wave or inverted U, position the rack in the hole. Use gravel to level it out and fill it up with concrete. For Park-A-Bike's varsity bike dock, fill the hole 4/5 of the way up with concrete. Slide the rack down into the concrete and let it stand 24 hours until the concrete is set. Freestanding units are not commonly mounted. However, to keep them from sliding around and secured, we suggest anchoring them as well. One method for installing a freestanding system is to use an 18-inch long spike. We suggest driving the spike in at an angle of over 30 degrees. This will keep the freestanding unit from being pulled straight up.